Everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a DIY that I will be doing for Nadine Wilson. Her sweet baby girl is turning 16, so she wanted some easy project ideas to help celebrate her sweet 16th. So I'm coming on today with one of my ideas that I have to share with her. So I'm starting with these two vases that I have here. I got them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start by decorating them with some of this pink and silver glam ribbon. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue down the ribbon. Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by a company called Hoto. They sent me their 12-volt cordless drill. And when you open the box, there's instructions in there to show you how to operate and function. And here is the drill itself. Well, the base part of the drill, yeah. It looks very nice and sturdy. And you have your functions here for the drill to go in and reverse and forward. And it's very light. Yeah, it's not heavy, which is good. And it comes with 8 drill bits, as you can see here. And then we have little small bits for the screws. Different screw heads. And over here, this is the plug. It's to plug it in to charge it. You can plug it into your computer, or you could put an AC adapter on top. And here we go. I turned it on. And you can turn the drill, the speed, up or down. It goes up to I think 30 to how fast you want the drill to go in, or you could bring it down to how slow you want it to go. And this is where you put your charger right in there, and you can plug it in, like I said, to your computer, or put a AC adapter head on it and plug it in the wall, and it charges. And to put the pieces in, you're gonna screw them in. So you take the head, put it in there, and then you just screw it on, and it tightens and holds on to the little bit. See, it's well firm there. And then there you go. You press it, and it's in. And the same thing with the drill, the parts for the drill too. The drill bits, put it in, screw it down, and there you go. It's so easy for beginners, very easy. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm hanging up a picture. So I'm drilling the hole first, and I'm doing it on number 3. I'm a beginner, so I'm not going to go at the high speeds. I'm doing it on speed 3. So I drilled the holes, and now I'm putting a little plug into the wall, which I hammer the plug a little bit, all the way in. Same thing on this side. Hammer it all the way in, the plug. And then now I'm going to use our little screw head and tighten it down. Then I have my screw, and I'm going to put the drill over it. I'm still going on number 3. I'm still doing number 3. And then I just screw it in. Nice and easy. It's so easy for beginners. I always wanted a drill, didn't get around to getting one, so I'm so glad I got this, and I'll be doing a lot of DIYs to share with you also. And look, there's my mirror all hung up. Really nice. So I'm going to leave a link below to Hoto so you guys can go over and check them out and get a drill for yourself. It's really nice, beginner friendly, and it's really easy to maneuver. Okay, here we go. I'm going to continue to put a strip on the other side of our vase, just like I did on the front side. Okay, now I'm going to use some E6000, and I will be placing some of our silver glam chain going down the 2 sides of our pink and silver ribbon. Now that that's all done, I'll be using some Mod Podge and placing it on our vase. And now I'll be using some of our pink crushed glass. Now my pink crushed glass, I added some silver confetti and also some glitter into the mixture, and I just mixed everything up, and now I'm pouring it onto the vase. And remember, it's 2 small vases that we have, so now I'm going to do the same thing to the next small vase. Apply our Mod Podge and then sprinkle our crushed glass, and then I will set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now our vases are dry, so I'll be using some more Mod Podge and going over the crushed glass to help seal it in, so we'll have no crushed glass falling off. And now I'm going to be adding some of this silver glitter that I got from Michael's, the little triangle shaped glitter. Yeah, so I'm just going to be applying them all over. And once again, when I'm finished sealing it in and adding the glitter, I will set both vases aside to dry. Okay, now I have these 2 tea light holders I got again from the Dollar Tree, and I will be placing some of our pink and silver ribbon going right around the top part of these tea light holders. Now as you see, I'm only using I'm only applying the glue to the top part of the candle holder, of the tea light holder. And again, I'm using hot glue. You can use any adhesive that you would like to use. And here I'm just showing you how it looks up close. So I just use the glue on the top part. It looks just as nice. It lays down very nice. Okay, now I have this square vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using some more of our GLAM pink and silver ribbon. And again, I'll be using the hot glue to glue it down. And I'll be doing the same pattern like I did on the other 2 vases, putting the ribbon down with a slant. And the same thing on the other side of the vase. And now I'm applying the GLAM silver chain. And I will be using some E6000 to glue down the chain. And now it's time to use some Mod Podge. And now we're going in again with our pink crushed glass. And I'll be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. Now the crushed glass is dry, so we're going to go over it again with the Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And again, I'll be adding the silver glitter. And when I'm all done, we will set it aside to dry. And here is our finished look. A nice, glam, and easy centerpiece DIY decor. Fit for a sweet 16. And I love how the crushed glass looks against the chain and the ribbon. And we have them at a slant, so you see half of the glass out and half of the glass with the design. I think it looks very nice. And here it is with flowers inside and some candles in the candle holder. Oh, and I just used some E6000 and glued the candle holder, the two candle holders together, the vase and the tea lights. I just used some E6000 and glued them together. But I think it makes a lovely table decor. And here we go with the candles lit. One of my candles is not burning very bright. It's on though, you could barely see it, but it is on. I think it looks lovely with the candles inside. And here we go with the lights dimmed. This one is shining so bright and the other candle is struggling. I don't know why, but it's struggling. I think it looks very nice. Okay, Nadine, I hope I inspired you a bit with a lovely centerpiece that you could do for your baby girl's sweet 16. I will come up with other ideas to share with you, but this one is number 1 for so far. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And I do hope I will see you on Wednesday. Remember, I upload videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
Come here, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now.